No vector shell damage. Sister board appears to be intact.
Clank, you can pull us up now.
The servos in my arm appear to be broken.
Broken? As in, fall to our deaths broken?
Yes.
Ratchet, look out!
See? What did I...
Shut up! We are not gonna die! Aphelion, engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, no, we're gonna die.
Honest, kind, and humble to the core.
What a load of bullshit.
Don't walk away from me! I said stop!